Hello there, are you ready to have some fun with English? Today we have a super cool topic. It's called wiping the chalkboard. Do you know what that means? It means wiping the board clean. Let's get started.
Before we begin, I have a question for you. Take a look at the picture. And listen, do you like to help your teacher? Maybe you help pass out papers, or maybe you help clean the board? Any way you help is wonderful. In our story today, we're going to meet a super helper. His name is Carl. Are you ready to hear Carl's story? Let's read a story together. Let's see what happens.
Okay, our story begins. The first sentence is, "It is recess." Now, you try. Say it with me. It is recess. That's right. It means it's time to play. Yay! Time to go outside.
Wow, look what Carl is doing. The sentence says, Carl is wiping off the chalkboard with an eraser. That means Carl is cleaning the big black board. Wow, all the other kids are playing, but Carl is helping.
And the last sentence tells us why. Listen closely. He likes to erase the board to help his teacher. So he enjoys cleaning the board to help his teacher. Carl is such a great helper, isn't he?
Wasn't Carl's story great? You know, there were some special English words hiding in that story. Let's find them and learn them together. Ready? Let's learn the new words.
Our first special word is recess. Listen carefully. Recess. Now say it with me. Recess. Great. Recess is your favorite time. It's playtime. Yay! It's recess time.
The second word is something you see in many classrooms. It's called a chalkboard. This word has two parts. Listen. Chalkboard. Put them together. Chalkboard. You said that so well. It's the big blackboard.
And the last word from our story is eraser. Okay, get your mouth ready. Let's say it together. Eraser. Eraser. That's it. It's what you use to wipe away the chalk. Wow, you are learning so fast. Amazing.
Wow, you are learning so fast, but are you ready for another challenge? Let's learn some more fun words about the classroom. Are you ready? Let's learn some more fun words.
This next word is an action. It's clean. Listen to that sound. Clean. Your turn. Clean. It means to make something neat and tidy. For example, we can all help to clean the classroom to make it sparkle.
Let's see how we can use this word in a sentence. Ready? The boy cleans the chalkboard eraser by hitting it with a stick. This means he taps the eraser with a stick to get all the dust out. Tap, tap, tap. All clean.
We just talked about the white stuff that comes from the eraser. Do you know what that's called in English? It's chalk dust. Try saying it with me. Chalk dust. Yes, that's the white powder that flies around.
This next sentence is a funny one. Chalk dust makes me sneeze. Do you know what sneeze means? It's when you go, achoo! So the sentence means the chalk dust makes you go, achoo! Here's another action we do a lot in class. The word is copy. Open your mouth wide. Copy. Copy. That's right. It means to write down what you see on the board in your own notebook.
For example, teachers can write words on the board for students to copy. This means the teacher writes on the board, and you write the same thing in your book.
Our last word for today is an easy one. Listen, whiteboard. Hey, this word has two parts too, white and board. So a whiteboard is you got it, a whiteboard. You are so smart. Let's look at this sentence. Whiteboards have replaced chalkboards in many classrooms. This just means that in many schools, they don't have the blackboards anymore, they have whiteboards instead. Do you have a chalkboard or a whiteboard in your classroom?
Wow, we've learned so many new words today. You did an amazing job. And now it's time to play a guessing game. Are you ready for the challenge? Let's practice together. You can do it.
First question, look closely at the picture. What is this? I'll give you a moment to think. 3, 2, 1. Time's up. The answer is? It's a chalkboard. Did you get it right? Wonderful. Great job.
Okay, here comes question number 2. Are you ready? What is this? Here's a clue. We use it to wipe things away. Did you figure it out? The answer is, it's an eraser. Wow, you got it right again. You're doing so well.
This is the final question. The big one. Are you ready? What is this? It's not black, it's white. What could it be? And the answer is... it's a whiteboard. Did you get all 3 right? Fantastic! You are the word champion of the day.
The game is over. You did such a fantastic job. Now, do you remember Carl from our story? We can be amazing helpers too. Be a helper just like Carl.
Let's remember this wonderful sentence together. Say it with me. Like Carl, you can be a great helper too. That means you can be an amazing helper just like our friend Carl. Before we say goodbye, I want you to think about this question. How will you help in your classroom today? What's one way you can be a helper in your class? Go and try it. I know you can do it. That's all for our English lesson today. Let's play again next time. Bye-bye.